Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable adaptive sync on your CHiQ 22F650 monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the monitor settings. So swipe right to open them. Now swipe all the way to the bottom until you see the extra settings. And right here we will have the adaptive sync. So now we need to click once, we need to swipe up to enable it, and swipe right to apply the settings. So now our monitor will go black. Now here, as you guys can see, whenever we go back to those settings, we will see that adaptive sync is enabled. And to disable it, we do the same. So we swipe right, we swipe upwards or downwards, doesn't matter, just to make it off, and swipe to the right to either enable or disable that setting. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.